Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. Coming back to you with another toy video with the Toy
Master.
And in this video, we are going to be talking about
Bionicles.
Ooh, I am excited.
And Hero Factory. And well, this video we're going to cover some like hot stuff that fast sellers, some really fast sellers in this video. Maybe sell them within a day or two. That's how fast, if you price them right.
To kind of like set the table, that's my phrase for today, let's talk about what we paid for all this, where did we find it, and then maybe we'll just say right up front how much we think it's going to sell for altogether, and then we'll dive into the specifics so people could go out and find it and flip it and make some money on eBay.
Okay, cool. So we'll start off with the Bionicles. Now, these are, in all these bags here is Lego Bionicle. And what they are like, they're figures built from Legos. They have kind of a robot-y, like mech-y theme to them. I paid, there's parts in this bag. There's a bunch of parts in all these bags. So I paid 3, 6, 9, 13, 17.
It's coming up. It's coming
20,
up.
23.
Ah.
Damn, you broke it. No, I'm just kidding. Oh. 26, 30, 33, 36. Damn, I spent this much money. 40 bucks on Bionicles. I had a 20% off, so that comes to 32 bucks. And I'm just gonna throw these all in a big Hero Factory. Oh, it's also Hero Factory in here. It's the same.
What's the difference?
It's two different toy lines, but they have the same parts, if that makes sense. They have the same mold, same parts. So I see a lot of people smashing them together in lots.
Well, do they work together, or are these two separate companies?
The pieces will fit together, yes.
Interesting.
And so I bought all these bags. I spent $32. And these sell just mixed lots, like by pound. They sell for 25 to 30 a pound.
Really? Because normal Legos is like 6 to 8, right?
I have 4 pounds here. They have to have good pieces in them. You can't just put 4 pounds of shoulders and get what I'm talking about. So I'm valuing this around 80 to 100 in total. And that's not shipped, by the way. That's just 25 for a pound, you know? And these things go fast. Quick seller, they retired. They don't make them anymore. People collect them. It's got a big following. People like to get the pieces and make my own creations and make their own kind of things. So these go fast, right off the shelves. I'll probably sell this one week for maybe 80 to 100 bucks. Easily.
Wow. So you don't even have to know really the specifics. You just sell it by the pound.
And then Steve picked up a $3 Bionicle bike. This one's probably worth about 15 bucks by itself. It's not super complete, but it's pretty light. Probably get a first class out of this. And this will go fast too. Another item we have here is a Lego boat hull. It's a boat bottom. And these bigger Lego pieces do very well. If you find base plates or big boats, like this is just one piece. This thing
disconnects,
right here,
yeah.
It's just one big piece.
Yeah, and I saw this at Savers for I think $2.99, and I was like, this thing's got to be worth money. And if you look it up, you can just type in keywords, or you can try to find, sometimes there'll be a number on it. I don't think I found the number on this one, but either way.
The number's inside here.
Oh,
right
okay.
there.
Either way, I just looked up Lego boat and I found it, and yeah, I think that was selling anywhere from $20 to $30.
Yep, that's what it's going for. And these are good to pick up. They sell quickly. I've picked up maybe 4 or 5 of these in my entire reselling career, and I've sold them, most of them, 3 of them within the first week. Right away.
And by the way, when I was there and I picked up those Legos, I got this book right here that I paid $2.99 for, or $3.99. I shared this on my Instagram recently. This is selling between $300 and $400. I have no idea what it is. And then the Powerpuff Girls complete season, this was selling between $150 and $300. On eBay, I think it was selling for like $150 to $200, and on Amazon like $300. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, that is crazy. That Powerpuff Girls I know will be a fast seller. That one you might have to wait a little bit, but yeah. And then another fast-selling toy. We just want to fire through this and give you as much knowledge in the least amount of time as possible. This guy right here, this is a motorized, battery-operated truck, as you can see. It is themed. It is from a TV show on Nickelodeon called Blaze and the Monster Machines. This is Super Stunt Blaze. So it's motorized, it does stunts, it lifts itself up, it spins around, and it takes off. And this guy goes for 30 plus shipping, like all day long.
Interesting.
And it sells so fast. I just sold one of these last month. I found another one. Probably gonna sell this real fast too. And only issue is you gotta test them. You gotta put batteries, make sure they work. That's important. And be on the lookout for Blaze and the Monster Machines die cast as well, if you can find them in big lots. Or some one-offs do well, maybe 15 to 20 bucks. Do your research, put some screenshots up there, Blaze the Monster Machine diecast and Super Stunt Blaze, and you can see the comps. That's a hot toy. These things go fast. This is a popular show.
Would have never known.
They're looking for it.
Right when you saw that, you were like, bada bing, bada boom, the profit's coming soon?
Yeah, that was the Goodwill day. I was pissed off, but I still found it. And then Steve found this $1.99, nice little $1.99 bag here.
I saw the Smurfs and I knew.
So in this bag, we have kind of a little bit of a mixed bag. You've got
Should
Lego.
open it up.
All right, sorry guys.
Tear it open, baby.
We got another Lego. So if anybody doesn't know already, like look out for Legos. Brand new sealed, better.
Oh, money.
Big lots, better. But they are getting very pricey nowadays. So in this $1.99 bag, he found, this is probably a gift with purchase. This wasn't probably sold on shelves. It was probably given as a gift when you spent like 70 bucks or 100 bucks at Lego or 50 bucks for a Christmas. And this guy, I don't know, want to scan him? Should I scan him?
I can give him.
I'm gonna scan it, guys.
Woo, scan him
I'm gonna
up.
scan it live.
I don't know if you had the Amazon seller app, or you just scan it on eBay, huh?
I'm gonna just do the eBay scan. I don't have the Amazon seller app. All right, he's 10 bucks. Not amazing, but that's not why we're here.
You hold on to that for 5 years, though? Probably worth 30.
Oh yeah, true. The reason he bought this bag is because in this bag he's got, these are vintage Schleck Smurfs, or these are Bullyland Smurfs actually. So this might be even better.
Huh. I didn't even know. I thought Schleck was the only one who made them. Let me zoom in a little bit too for you guys so you can
here's the,
see what's going on here.
This is another popular item. Yeah, this one's a Schleck. So it's a little mix of Schleck and Bullyland. And Bullyland's another company that made these little figures. Ooh, we got some cool ones in here. Oh man, you got the surfboard that goes with it.
Oh, give me the money.
That's an accessory that might get lost. So look out for vintage Smurfs. On the bottom, it'll say Schleck, and it's going to be around the 1980s, 1981. Most of them are Schleck. I think Bullyland is another company that actually made them. And these are Smurfs, hot sellers, fast sellers, vintage. Great to look for. And they go quick.
Nice. Anything else to share?
I think that's it. I mean, we covered the Bionicles, we covered the boat haul, and these Schlecks. Some of these guys, these Schlecks go for 15, 20 bucks if you find some good ones, some rare, obscure ones. I know the surfboard is probably going to be something unique because that's going to be a part that gets lost a lot.
I was surprised though that these Bionicles were going for 25 to 30 bucks each. Per pound, I meant. That was pretty interesting.
I'm gonna show you right now. Look at it, 1 pound random lot, 35.
Oh, wow.
3/4 of a pound, 27.
Interesting.
1 pound, 34.
Yeah.
1 pound, 25 plus shipping. Lego Bionicle lot, that's more than a pound.
Wow.
But yeah, and the solds are the same.
So that's good to know if you're ever at a garage sale or a thrift store. If you see them, you can kind of, you know, what do you think one of these is, like 1/4 of a pound maybe? Because it doesn't seem very heavy at all.
Maybe 6 ounces, okay. 7 ounces.
Gotcha. Cool. So hopefully you guys found value in this video. If you want to learn more about selling toys, be sure to check the links down below to some of Vinny's guides. He's created over 4 guides. If you want to support Vinny and our channel and our toy videos, definitely pick up a guide. I'll put a 25% discount code down below. Also, I'll link to some toy videos that can help you out as well. We got some videos for beginners, advanced, intermediates. So with that being said, oh, you got one more thing?
Just to recap.
Oh, he wants the recap.
Bionicles in lots. Big Lego parts like holes and base plates.
Yep.
Schleck. Vintage Schleck. Smurfs.
Schleck it up.
Sealed Legos.
Lego time.
and blazing the Monster Machines trucks.
Blaze it up.
And that would be said. With that being said, keep on picking and making that money. I'll see you in the next one.
Let's go.